Unlock the power of attention grabbing in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language to make learning both fun and effective. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that you might have heard quite often: attention grabbing. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your vocabulary but also equips you with a powerful tool to make your conversations and writings more engaging. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets of attention grabbing. At its core, attention grabbing refers to anything that captures and holds someone's attention or interest. This can be a loud noise, a bright color, an intriguing headline, or even a compelling story. In English, when we describe something as attention-grabbing, we're saying it has a strong appeal that makes people want to focus on it, learn more about it, or engage with it in some way. To better understand this concept, let's look at some examples where attention-grabbing techniques are commonly used. Advertising. Commercials and ads often use bold colors, catchy slogans, or emotional stories to grab your attention. Public speaking. Speakers may start with an interesting anecdote, question, or surprising fact to keep the audience engaged. Social media. Posts that feature unusual images, funny content, or controversial opinions tend to attract more views and interactions. Attention grabbing is crucial in many aspects of life because we live in a world full of distractions. Whether you're giving a presentation, writing an article, or even trying to have a meaningful conversation, being able to grab and hold someone's attention ensures that your message is heard and remembered. It's a skill that can improve your ability to communicate effectively and make your ideas stand out. Now that we understand the importance of attention grabbing, here are some tips on how to implement it in your own communication. Start strong. Use a powerful statement, question, or story to start your conversations or presentations. Be visual. Incorporate visual aids, gestures, or expressive facial expressions to make your points more memorable. Engage emotions. Connect with your audience on an emotional level by sharing personal stories, humor, or relatable experiences. Keep it relevant. Make sure your attention-grabbing elements are relevant to your main message to avoid confusing your audience. In today's fast-paced world, mastering the art of attention-grabbing is more important than ever. By understanding what makes something captivating and applying these techniques to your own communication, you can ensure that your messages are not only heard but also resonate with your audience. We hope this video has shed some light on the power of attention grabbing and how you can use it to enhance your English communication skills. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.